Good morning. Here's something that we need to take a very close look at with the market. So what I'm looking at right now is VT, which is a world index fund. Now, I only have data back until 2008, but that's not going to be too important because this is what I want to show you. I want you to see this right here. This is a very, very large, what looks like to be a head and shoulders formation. Now, this one doesn't look particularly bearish, but there's a couple other ones I want to show you that we can actually understand where the direction of the world is going. So, like with this one, the idea is we just do a simple top to bottom measurement. So, go from the neckline to the top of the pattern gives us a price target down here just around the 2008 bottom. That is, of course, if this actually breaks through. So far we basically had one touch, two, touch, and then we would be in the third shoulder right here. Now, the only thing that is really busting up this pattern is this right here, this movement. So we have see 1, 2, and then up. Okay, so why is that happening? Well, let's actually take a look at the S&P 500. Looks pretty darn familiar. The S&P is one of the strongest indexes in the world, and it's been making these new highs. So it's been pushing the VT and just about every other world index up. But in the meantime, let's actually take a look at some other stock charts. So if I just type in second largest economy, if we do Japan, or I think it might be the third, you basically see that already it has broken through its neckline of its head and shoulders, and it is declining. So EWJ, Japan's not doing well. Do Italy, they're going down the hole. Germany, they're doing a little bit better, but still, you got this head and shoulders pattern that it looks like it wants to break down. You do think that, yeah, this one's Taiwan. Taiwan's doing decent, but still, you have this head and shoulders pattern. Like all these things, you're noticing that the only index that is actually making new highs in the world is pretty much the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. Just a second. Yeah, you can't even see that. So we'll put up the NASDAQ. NASDAQ made new highs, but it's pretty much full safety to America. Here, just to toss out a few more. Like this is the China one, which still really hasn't recovered to its 2008 highs or even close. But this guy right here, you would say that we would have head and shoulders pattern right here. But we got a lot of these head and shoulder patterns, and the fact is, if these things break down to the downside, yeah, you're going to get a world recession on your hands. The only real hope that there is, well, first off, it's pretty safe to say that if you want to go long anything, yeah, you better buy American. It's just like what you would do when you walk into Walmart. You just yell "Buy American." So America is still the safe place to be, even though valuations are slightly higher. But it's just the world political. So it is pretty much because of the U.S., us, that this is actually looking like it wants to make new highs. But we have to see if America can really pull along the entire world in the coming months. So just some thoughts, just some things to look at. If these do break down, once again, you see that target right there, you know what's going to happen. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day.